Welcome back to this life of ours. Today I am sharing with you a extension for Google Chrome, which if you don't know, it's just a little add-on that you can put on Google that will work within the Chrome sphere. And essentially it will, when you have depending on what website you're on, it will look through your library and see if that is available for you. So we're going to switch over to my computer, but here in a second. Just want to say though, you can use it on different websites, including Amazon, Audible, Goodreads. So when you're on one of those pages and you're looking at a book, rather than then going over to your library's website, searching for it, it will do that for you. It is fantastic. I love it. And it just made things so much easier for me. So let's head over to my computer and I will show you how it works. I'll go to chrome.google.com and put in library extension. Add to Chrome. Now, once you want to set it up, you'll click on the button up in the browser and find your library. For my home library, we do books and ebooks, of course, but we also subscribe to 2 out-of-state libraries, and I'm not going to New York or Philadelphia to pick up actual books, so I just uncheck the books category. Ebooks will search for overdrive, so it will search both reading books, like for your Kindle, or audiobooks. Now let's hop over to Amazon so I can show you how it works. When you pull up the book page, it will load, and it is kind of slow to load, so just give it a few seconds and it will show you. If you press hold, it will take you over to your library's website where you can put it in hold or add it to your list. Another one, we just put this one out. This just came out and we love the Pinderwicks. This is the last one. Over on Goodreads, you can see how it works over there. Same way. Audible, same thing. You can see on the screen the list of websites it works on. If you have any questions about this, be sure to leave them down below. Also on the screen, you will see another video for another way that I use the library to help organize our homeschool. Thanks for watching.